This video is going to show you how to draw lines on your map. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to open a map. So we'll click here on Shapes Map. Okay, now that we've got our map open, we're going to come over here to the Add button. We're going to go to Shapes and then we'll select Lines. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to edit the style of the lines that we're going to draw. So we'll click here on the Style button and we'll see a number of colors that we could use for the lines. We can click here on More to see some more options, or we can click here on Custom, and if you have hex codes, you can use those hex codes to color your lines. Then you can also mess with the opacity and the weight or thickness of the line. So we're going to choose this red color, and then we'll leave the opacity where it is, and we'll make the weight 5. And once you're done, you just click OK. And then as you can see, all you need to do to start drawing a line is just click with your mouse. So the first thing we'll do is we'll click here, and that will give us our starting point, and then we can drag it over. And so let's say we're going to go to Los Angeles, and you can see as well that from Phoenix to Los Angeles it's about 356 miles. And that distance is going to be the total distance of the line. So as I continue to move, you can see that that number is changing. And so in order to draw a line, you just continue to click every place you want there to be a stop in the line, and then once you're done, all you need to do is click on the last point to finish that line. And if you want to continue drawing new lines, all you have to do is follow that same process of clicking to start the line and then continuing to click everywhere you want there to be a point in the line, and then finally clicking on the last point to finish the line. And once you do that, you'll notice that all the lines will appear here on your left hand sidebar. And that's how easy it is to draw lines on your map using Mapline.